The App Store is flooded with terrible, buggy teleprompter apps. But lucky for you, I've tried dozens and found a few free ones that are actually worth their file size in gold, regardless of what device you film on. I'm actually using a teleprompter right now, but here's the thing. It all comes down to where and how you're going to be using your teleprompter. So for those of you who make TikToks, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, or even full YouTube videos on your phone or on the go, this first app is for you, and that is Teleprompter Pro. Even the free version allows you to write and edit your scripts within the built-in editor, and even change the text color and size, making it perfect for almost anyone as long as you have an iPhone. Using the app is actually simple. Just download and register with your email, and then click the plus sign to create a new script, and then decide if you want to compose it in the app or just import it from your documents. From there, you can just mess around with the speed and then go into the settings to change the font style and size, and then enable video recording. There is also a super pricey paid plan that allows you to import unlimited documents per month, but honestly, it doesn't really take that long to just copy and paste, then format it all out nicely. So it really is up to you and how much money you're wanting to pay or not pay. Although the shining highlight of Teleprompter Pro is undoubtedly how great it is in vertical mode. More than ever, people are creating vertical content, and it is getting more and more complex. And this app actually allows you to both see yourself and the words on the teleprompter clearly while recording. Just be sure to make the text big enough though so that people can't see your eyes darting across the whole length of the screen while you're reading, because TikTok users, myself included, hate that. And also make sure you're subscribed, because I'm dropping dope videos like this each and every week. All in all though, even the free version of this app is a great option, especially for those of you who are just looking to capture that carefree on-the-go feeling while still getting all of your points across. Now this next teleprompter app is for those of you who can create on the go and or at home but prefer a larger or more professional DSLR type camera, or maybe you like using your rear smartphone camera for a higher quality. Now this does mean that you'll need to carry a separate piece of tech with you if you are on the move, but if you're going for this setup, it's perfect for those of you who want to create long form content like YouTube videos, and who knows, maybe you've already watched our video on how to build a portable studio. So if this sounds like you, then you'll be wanting to go for the Teleprompter Mirror Web app on either laptop or your tablet, depending on your setup here. It's completely free and super easy to use, and all you have to do is go to the website, copy and paste your script into the window, adjust your margins so that there's max 3 to 4 words per line so your eyes don't dart. Adjust the font size and speed, and then press the play button at the top. And you can even click the microphone button for voice-activated scrolling, which is an amazing, super clutch feature that I actually use all the time. It's great for beginners who aren't really used to that scrolling prompter just yet, and for seasoned vets like myself, where I get to play around with my cadence a bunch at a rate that scrolling Star Wars text wouldn't be able to keep up with. So if you are using your phone's rear camera to record, then you'll just want to place the teleprompter slightly to the right of it so that you'll be looking directly into the camera even when reading long walls of text. And finally, what teleprompter should you be using if you're recording straight from your PC or laptop? And is it even viable to do that yet? Well, the short answer is yes. And then the long answer is yes. You could use the one that I just showed you, but it can get even better, because with how good AI video and audio upscaling is getting nowadays, you can actually just use your laptop to create world-class content. Especially if you're using Podcastle, which is a free platform that allows you to record, edit, and publish video content with its all-in-one service. And then there's the Podcastle teleprompter feature, which is best in class because you're actually already looking at the screen. To use Podcastle's teleprompter, you're going to start by entering the studio and then clicking the scroll icon in the bottom right corner. From there, you'll see the text box on the right-hand side where you can actually paste your script or just start writing in there. Then click the black teleprompter button to see your script, and it will even scroll at an adjustable pace as you speak. This way you can help maintain a natural flow and never lose your place. But please note that manual adjustments are also available for scroll speed, text size, and opacity. So it's basically all of the above on everything we've already covered and your one-stop teleprompter shop. But it doesn't just stop there, because Podcastle's teleprompter is soon going to be the hidden ingredient to creating world-class content when that super powerful video editor update comes out. So make sure you're subscribed so I can tell you all about that top secret update as soon as I can. And remember in the meantime to pair Podcastle's teleprompter with the 50% off your first month of Podcastle Pro with its all-in-one click AI tools that lets you instantly upgrade your sound and visuals with just the click of a button. This way you can speak good, look good, and sound good. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.